Green is the color of earth so bright, of plants and trees and leafy light. We love green in every way. Happy, happy green!